Hey guys, welcome back. Quick video here. I guess it's quick. Why would I even say that? I have no idea what's in this box. So it may be long. But anyway, I think it's going to be a quick video. So, received this package today. And my friend Larry Pare from out in California sent this. Okay to open on air. So this is the one to open. So when I opened the box, he says, open the box first. And there was something in there for me to read. Good thing, Larry. I want to mention something. So he sent it in one of those medium priority mailboxes, right? They're like, I don't know, 10 inches wide by 16 inches long, 18 inches long. And it looked like an elephant sat on it. And I went, when I went into the post office to pick it up, the post lady there, I said, oh man, it looks like an elephant sat on that thing. She says, your packages are always squashed. But anyway. So I'm going to open this, but first I have something that I want to do for Larry, and I think this is important for the modeling community at large. I live in Southeast Georgia. Let's say here's the United States, right? So here's California, here's Texas, here's New York, and here's Georgia. So I live here in Georgia, so you can't really go any farther or you'll go off into the water. Larry lives in California, you can't go any farther or you'll go off in the water. So there's all this in between, but YouTube is like, covers everything, right? It's not like when I talk to somebody, I'm talking to somebody in Georgia or in North Carolina or South Carolina. I'm talking to people that are in California, New York, or Maine, New York, Massachusetts, New Hampshire, and Vermont, and all these, even if you keep going that way, people over in the UK. But what I'm getting to is Larry sent me 2 show flyers. Now Larry said, Matthew, I understand you don't live anywhere close to me. We're only 3,000 miles away. Come on, man, that's not that bad. But he said, if you don't mind sharing these, because people over here watch you. And that's what I'm going to do. So we have 2 flyers here. And so if you don't can't see this well enough or anything, or if you want a copy, if you'll email me, I will be more than happy to email you a scan of this. So this is the front engine gas dragsters, judged by show entrance. That's kind of NNL. That's pretty cool. First, second, third place awards. This year's theme category is front engine gas dragsters. So this doesn't have a back, but hold on. Oh, I'm sorry. Wrong page. Sorry, Larry. Okay, here we go. Better. The Model Car Guys, in conjunction with the NHRA Motorsports Museum, presents Spirit of Speed 8 Model Car Show and Swap Meet, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., honoring the Gallery of Speed. And the theme, sorry, I totally blew this, front engine gas dragsters, which the moon eyes, look at that guy. He's got an old flathead. Wow. Sunday, October the 29th, 2023. Entry fees for the model show in the NHRA Museum. Wow. I would love, this is, by the way, this is in Pomona, California. Can you say drag racing? Oh, wow. Entry fees for the model show in NHRA Museum, $10, including unlimited entries. Cool. Free parking, NHRA Motorsports Museum, Fairplex, Gate 1, 1101 McKinley Avenue, Pomona, California. I'd love to go to Southern California. I would love to. All proceeds from the show will benefit the NHRA Museum. Very cool. Vendor tables for $40. For more information, contact Scott Hess at 818-808-6218, and there's his email. Or Ron Ramsey at 818-321-4393. And there's his email. Man, I would love to go to this. Wow. Be a dream. I want to see Southern California so bad, you don't even know. And if it, oh gosh. Anyway, okay, next page. So this is the one I started with. So judged categories, or judged award categories for the show. Best of Show, Spirit of Speed, Museum Quality Replica. Ooh, I would like to see that. That just when you say museum quality replica, that just screams 1920s. Oh boy. Anyway, best finished, best detail. First, second, and third place awards for each of the following categories. Fast on the street machines, 1950 or newer. Oh, that would be a cool category. Fast on the quarter mile, drags. Fast on the quarter mile, 1/20th or larger. Competition, all non-drag. So your stock cars, your road racing and things like that. Fast from the factory stock. Fast on 2 wheels, motorcycles and trikes. Those are 3 wheels, but anyway, they still categorize that on 2 wheel. Street rods, 49 and older. Oh yes. Custom show cars and concept cars. Documented replicas requires photos or a magazine article showing the actual vehicle. Now that is a cool class. That is very interesting, because a lot of people will make a replica build, and it's misunderstood, I think, by, let's say, the judges or just the audience, period. But that is really cool. There's a class for documented replicas. I would recommend that model car shows had that class, a class to itself, because, and let me go ahead and say, lowriders, curbside, and commercial vehicles and trucks. Find them on Facebook at the Model Car Guys. That is so cool. So I've seen these type of builds. So there will be a, let's just say, a 1969 Chevy Nova, 70 Chevy Nova. It's got a primered front hood. It's got a red door, and it's got a picture down below it of the car that they were replicating. But they were in a class with cars that had mirror finishes that were 3 feet deep, 3 inches deep. Yeah, we're talking scale models. But so I don't think they get recognized enough. But to have an actual class where they have documented replicas, like, that's the class. It's like, show your picture, show the magazine article, whatever, and then this is the replica. Man, that is too cool. I have never seen that as far as a class goes. Love it. Anyway, so if you guys live over in the Pomona, California area, go check out this show on Sunday, October the 29th, 2023. Sounds like a lot of fun. I would love to be there, but hey, I don't think it's going to happen. But anyway, there you go. Be sure, if you want a copy of these, I don't mind at all. I'll send you an email of the scanned documents, and you can print them out. So just let me know, okay? Email is always in the description of my videos. All right, so Larry is the guy responsible for me having Rat Fink t-shirts. I've got a white Rat Fink t-shirt. Heather's got a white one. I've got a black one that I got to wear to the Roanoke, Virginia show. That was a Ed Roth theme. The show was. It was a tribute to Ed Roth. So I don't know if this has anything to, and he just sent me a Rat Fink model kit with the actual Rat Fink. Too cool. So I have no idea what's in here. No absolute idea at all. So we're going to open this up and we're going to see. So I'm excited. I'm thinking it probably has something to do with Rat Fink or Ed Roth. I don't know. If it doesn't, hey, that's cool too. Alright, so I only had to open one end of this. Holy cow, look at this. These are signs. There's Frankenstein. Let's see. Oh, there he is. I told you it had some. So anyway, starting off here is let me get it out of here. This is too cool. I can't wait to hang these up. Love it, Larry. I appreciate you, buddy. All right, so here we have Mr. Frankenstein. Now, I've told you guys in the past, here's some, like, what is that, anime or something like that? I don't know. I don't follow that stuff. My dad would draw stuff on the placemats at the restaurant where we would go eat breakfast. And it was just, this is it. This is the stuff he would draw. And I never understood who it was, but there you go. There's Frank. Old Frank himself, Frankenstein. smoking it with a 57 Chevy. Big, blown 57 Chevy. He pushed so hard, he stuck his foot through the floorboard with his Converse. Too cool. What's he... Oh, can't read that. It's explicit. Alright, so and then this, here's Ed Roth himself. Ed Big Daddy Roth's Rat Fink. There he is. He's like, what did I do? It wasn't me. King of the Monster Painters. Man, these are so cool. Revell Custom Monsters. Man, this is so awesome. Too cool. And then here we go. I got to get this one out because it's got a sticker right over the important part. Well, I knew it was going to have something with Rat Fink in it. I knew it. So here's Rat Fink Racing Team with his 1940, because the grill. Okay, so quick explanation. 1939 and 1940 Fords are basically the same car. I don't think there's much different at all. Maybe the taillights, but the grill. So a 39 would not have this 3-piece grill. It would have a 2-piece. It would be, or maybe call it 1-piece. But your 39, the grill would not have a seam right here. So this is a 1940 Ford Woody with the Rat, smoking it. And it's got a big block Ford in it, I'm sure of. For sure. Because there's no way a Chevy could do any burnout like that. And no fire comes out of Chevy pipes. But anyway, golly, these are so fun. Thank you, Larry. Buddy, I appreciate you. And when I saw the package today and an elephant had set on it, I was like, oh, no, if there's a model kit in there, it is completely destroyed. But that's not the case. It worked out great. So there they are. I'll put it sideways here. The Rat Fink himself with the creator Ed Roth. The Rat Fink himself in a 40 Ford Woody. And old Frankenstein smoking it out in a 57. Literally smoking it out. See the cigarette? Golly, this is so cool. Can't wait to hang them up. Hey, thanks, Larry. I appreciate you. Thanks to everyone that watches these videos. Thank you to Hobby Nut Models for supporting this channel the way Hobby Nut does. I appreciate you, Mark. Thank you so much. Don't forget to go check out Hobby Nut Models. Don't forget to go, if you live in somewhere in the vicinity of Pomona, California, or somewhere. Hey, I drive 5-6 hours to go to a model car show. So if you're somewhere in the area, go check this show out. Sunday, October the 29th, 2023. If I could be there, I would, but I don't think that's possible. But anyway, cost quite a bit to cross the country. Anyway, guys, hey, thanks for watching. Thanks to Larry again for sending these cool signs that I'll be hanging up. And thanks to you guys for watching these videos. You're great. Thank you to my Patreon members for supporting me. And yeah, guys, this is a wonderful, wonderful community, wonderful hobby. And even Frankenstein has a part in it. All right, guys. Hey, take care, and we'll see you later.